What is going on, guys? It is Levi here with Sue Automotive, and in today's video we're going to be working on a GLK 350. Doesn't matter what year, because today we're going to be changing the front sway bar links. They are the same across the entire GLK line. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be commentating over a video that I already recorded, just because I felt it was easier for me just to perform the work and come back through and talk over it afterwards. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. Yeah, crank this up. Stop. Tripped. So I left all the dancing and whatnot in because this is what I do on a regular basis. I listen to music while I work, and sometimes you just get that song that gets your body moving. And so I figured I'd show you that I'm like a normal person, and yeah, so I left it in. Hope you like it. Alright, so like I said before, we are changing the front sway bar links, in links. It's that right there. Going to be changing both fronts. If you are wearing headphones, please turn your volume down because it is going to get loud here in a second. It is an 18mm. If you didn't want to use access to any air tools, you can use an 18mm ratchet wrench and a T45 with a 3/8 ratchet. That will help you lock down, and I will show you that later on in the video. So we're now going to be taking apart the bottom side of the sway bar link that actually attaches to the sway bar itself. So here we go, like I said, 18mm ratchet wrench. It's a T45. To counter hold the screw, and then of course a 3/8 ratchet. So you want to counter hold the shaft of the sway bar link and use the 18mm ratchet to take off the nut. I'm going to show you that right now. Now the left and right sway bar links are different. You want to pay attention, one, to the installation position when you do pull it out. Make sure you have the right one on the right side. You should know, because typically it's going to look weird if you're going to put it in wrong, but it can be done, and it will not be fun. And this is what I'm talking about right here. You can see that when you line them up, they're angled different on the tips. So that can give you, it does make it to where it is left side, right side. So you've got to pay attention to that. And here we go. We've already locked down the bottom side. Now we're getting ready to do the top side. And this is where you can use this is where you kind of have to use the 3/8 drive ratchet with the T45 and the 18mm ratcheting wrench. And there we have it. It's all done now. And you just do the same thing on the other side, which I've already done. But yeah. So, I wanted to thank everybody for watching this, and thank you for all the support and whatnot. Like I said before at the beginning of the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. At the top right-hand corner of your screen, there is going to be a poll that you can take part of. That is going to be for the 100 subscriber challenge. We are kind of far away from that now, but I figured I'd put it up there. I've been putting it up there on all the videos just so that I can get, you know, a giant count on what you guys want to see me do for the 100 subscriber challenge. So thanks again, guys, for all the support. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and you know, if you guys just want to chat, you know, just hit me up. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one.